We just got our hair done. It looks amazing.
Look at my curls.
Girl.
Is that a pickle? Oh,
Excuse me? Regina?
Here we go for the 4th time.
That's it. Ow! Ooh, must have been a speed bump.
Well, I don't think so.
Well, that's something you don't see every day.
He's like the 5th tire you've never had.
Yeah, but it doesn't fit.
It's too big. Oop, imagine falling down the stairs and losing all the money you just robbed.
Let's go shopping.
Move! I need a new outfit. Are you sure? I don't think they sell extra larges here.
I'm not that big.
Yes, you are, Green Bean.
Me